Creating professional looking YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art and graphic designing is not an easy job at all nowadays. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys an application in which you can design professional looking YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art and other stuff like that with an Android device for free. So what's going on guys, it's Shivam over here and let's get started. So for this you need to download an application called Canva, which is available on the Play Store for free, and I'll leave a link to it in the description box down below. Now once you open the application, you will see hundreds of pre-made templates, and I'll show you how to edit those templates by designing a thumbnail. Well, that's pretty much it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Till then, peace.